Today, you will learn how to remove the background of a picture in Word. First, insert your picture into the Word document and click on the image to select it. Go to the Picture Format tab at the top and click on Remove Background. Word will automatically highlight the background in magenta color. Anything shown in magenta will be removed from the picture. Sometimes Word does not select the background perfectly. To fix this, go to the Background Removal tab. If part of your subject is selected by mistake, click Mark Areas to Keep and then click or draw over the parts you want to keep in the image. If some background is still visible, click Mark Areas to Remove and mark the areas you want Word to remove. You can click outside the image at any time to preview the result and make sure everything looks correct. Once you are happy with the selection, click Keep Changes. Word will remove the background and leave you with a clean image. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.